Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how much melatonin you should take. Melatonin is a natural hormone your body produces to signal sleep. When considering supplementation, it's crucial to start with a very low dose, often between 0.5 and 1 milligram. This allows you to assess your body's response and avoid potential side effects. Remember, more isn't always better with melatonin, and finding your optimal dose is key for effective sleep support. Finding the right melatonin dose is a personal journey. Many adults achieve good results with 1 to 5 milligrams for occasional sleeplessness. If you're dealing with jet lag, a smaller dose, perhaps 0.5 to 3 milligrams, taken shortly before your new bedtime, can be beneficial. It's important to remember that children and teenagers should only take melatonin under the strict supervision of a doctor. Always check the product's instructions carefully. While generally safe, melatonin can have side effects. You might experience drowsiness, dizziness, or even mild nausea. It's crucial to avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking it, as your coordination can be impaired. Never mix melatonin with alcohol or other sedatives, as this can intensify their effects. If you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, always consult your doctor first. If you're consistently struggling with sleep, even after trying melatonin, it's time to talk to a healthcare professional. Persistent insomnia or other sleep disorders require a doctor's evaluation to identify the root cause. Also, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, discussing melatonin use with your doctor is essential for safety. They can provide personalized guidance and help you develop a comprehensive sleep strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.